What's up guys, in this video we are going to talk about the future iPhone. Yeah guys, I'm talking about the iPhone 13. Yeah guys, Japanese blog Mac Otakara shared images and a video this week of a 3D printed mock-up of what it claims to be a 5.5-inch iPhone coming out next year. The site says that the mock-up is from Alibaba sources, but it doesn't go into detail. According to the leak, the model in this video is a successor to the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 launching this fall, so we can assume this is one of the lower-end iPhone 13 models, providing it's real, of course. The most obvious difference between the mock-up and the leaked iPhone 12 designs we have seen up to this point is the missing sensor housing at the top of the display. There's no notch on the purported iPhone 13. Which implies that Apple will place the true depth camera and sensors underneath the screen. Mac Otakara also says that Apple might be testing a camera at the bottom of the screen, but doesn't explain how that would work. Although the screen size is slightly larger, the dimension of the 5.5-inch iPhone 13 are supposedly in the line with those of the 5.4-inch iPhone 12. The bezels surrounding the screen are even smaller than the ones found on the iPhone 11. And Mac Otakara suggests Apple might be upgrading the Super Retina XDR display to achieve this. On the back of this mock-up, 5 dots can be seen where the camera module should be, which Mac Otakara says can be used for testing various camera modules. Some earlier rumors have claimed that the iPhone may find a way to fit up to 4 cameras on the back of the iPhone 13 as well as a LiDAR scanner. And yeah guys, finally, what appears to be the USB-C port has replaced the lightning connector at the bottom of the iPhone 13. We have seen rumors lately suggesting Apple's iPhone models beyond 2020 might be completely portless. Needless to say, we are going to take this leak with a grain of salt. Mac Otakara says that this is just one of the prototypes currently in the works. So even if it really did come from Apple, there's a chance it will never see the light of the day. Nevertheless, the prospect of a truly all-screen iPhone is sure to get fans excited. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Now what's your thoughts on this guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.